University. So initially he's a Hawk instructor and then a Jaguar pilot, and he's in his second year on the team. But in our tightest formation here, to your front, in Apollo formation, with the red, white and blue, the Apollo band. Address 2, 3, 4 and 5 acknowledge the move into Vulcan formation. Our representation of the famous Delta wing of the Cold War aircraft, which we hope to see in the skies this year in civilian hands. Well, as we remember the 25th year since the Falklands War, the skill and daring of the Royal Air Force crews that flew that daring way on Port Stanley and important psychological blow during the war. But if you remember the veterans who fought in that war, those who did come back to your left-hand side with the red, white and blue for their Vulcan bend. As the box calls reversing right now, smoke off go, they're now pulling up to a 3 to 13 turn. Moving into Typhoon formation, saw the immense power of that Typhoon display flown expertly by Fighter Engine Lords. Now see the precision of the Typhoon roll blown by the red arrows. As they complete that 4D turn, 1 G of gravity, that's what you and I feel. So the acceleration of the aircraft, the pilot's pointing 4 times their own body weight, took 25 minutes. But out to your right hand side, we set up for the Typhoon roll. So ladies and gents, as the box calls smoke off go for that fantastic 400 mile an hour Typhoon roll. And now hit the halfway point of the display. Lovely to hear all your cheers and clapping, all the beeps on the horns, to hear you really get into the party spirit, the finale for this fantastic afternoon of flying. Thank you so much again for your support. As we come right now, I'm going to split the formation out into 2. In formation, that's reds 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Surnamed after Ian's line and the famous side. Next we'll refer to Jippo formation. That's red 6, 7, 8 and 9. And we're in Jippos. There's dynamic zeros. Let's see it there. Red 6 and 7. So as you look now out to your front, as you prepare now for this spectacular flat split, get your cameras at the ready for this fantastic photo. As you set up now for this flat split. Ladies and gentlemen, the flat split. Exit by the slingshot. Look to your left hand side. Over towards Blackpool down. Stop only there, pulling up at 8 times of gravity into the vertical with the red, white and blue. And to your front, in formation. Time in the red, white and blue. It carries 5 minutes in the white smoke and 1 minute of the red and blue.